Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's your boy BCloud87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investment account. Now, today is Friday. The market is going to be closing very shortly, but it has been a really good week so far. It's been very green. What I'm going to do today is show you how my portfolio has done the week, the last month, the last 3 months, and the last year. Followed by, I'm going to show you guys the dividends that I have pending, as well as the dividends that I've received the most recent 30 days. So before I really get off into the video, be sure to hit that like button if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the BCloud87 channel just so you can follow my investment journey. But with all that said, let's check it out. Right now, my portfolio is sitting at $20,541. As I said, for the week, it's been green, and my portfolio is up $204. For the past month, my portfolio is up $405. For the past 3 months, my stock investment portfolio is up $639. And for the past year, I am up $5,000. That is the beauty of investing in the stock market consistently. That is the beauty of buying shares of really good companies that you know will do well and just consistently investing. Now let's go ahead and check out the dividends that I have. For those who may not be aware of it, dividends are when a company pays their shareholder quarterly, sometimes monthly, but most of the time quarterly. You get some of the profits of the company, and basically that's just their way of rewarding you for being an investor in their company. So the name of the game, at least for me, is to invest in companies that pay dividends. That way I use those dividends as passive income, but basically I just reinvest those dividends into the companies that I hold. Now let's go ahead and check out some of the payments that I have pending. As you can see, first up we have HPQ, that is Hewlett Packard. I have 17 shares, and I will be receiving $3.30 on July the 7th. Next up, we have Nike. I have 1 share, and I'm going to be receiving 30 cents on July the 1st. After that, we have Bank of America. I hold 23 shares, and I'm going to be receiving $4.14 on June the 25th. Then we have Flowers Food Inc. I hold 7 shares, and I'm going to be receiving $1.48 on June the 24th. And then the last dividend that I have pending is going to be Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. That is a monthly dividend payer. I hold 10 shares, and I'm going to be receiving $2.47 on June the 5th. Now let's go ahead and check out the dividends that I've already received these past 30 days. Start up, we got Microsoft. I got 7 shares, and I already received $3.95. Next up, we have Eli Lilly. This is a medical company. They also pay monthly. At that time, I held a little under 1 share, and I received 81 cents for my share. Then we have Johnson & Johnson. I have 2 shares, and my total payment that I received was $2.15. Then we have Pfizer. I hold 10 shares of Pfizer, and I received $3.90 on June the 4th. Then we have Walmart. I have 1 share, and I received 55 cents for my share of Walmart. Essential Utilities. I have 1 share, and I've received 25 cents on June the 1st. Let's see. Then we have Starbucks Corporation. I had 2 shares, and I received 90 cents for my Starbucks. California Water, 6 shares. I received $1.38. Caterpillar, 1 share. I received $1.06. Hercules Capital Inc., that's ticker symbol HTGC. For my 90 shares, I received $6.30. And I actually got paid 2 times for Hercules Capital. So I also got paid $28.80 for the 90 shares that I hold. So as you can see, Hercules Capital, they actually paid me 2 times on May the 19th, $28 and then $6. Then we have A.O. Smith Corporation, 3 shares. I received 84 cents. After that, we got Procter & Gamble. I hold 2 shares and I received $1.76. Let's see. Then we have Hormel Foods Corporation, 3 shares. I received 74 cents for the 3 shares that I hold. Realty Income, once again, that's a monthly payer. You definitely want to invest in Realty Income. I received $2.46 for the 10 shares. Then Apple, 16 shares, and I received $3.56. The last stock that paid me the previous 30 days is Enterprise Products Partners. For the 14 shares, I received $6.34. And yeah, that's just the benefits of investing in dividend-paying stocks. As you can see, you just receive income from these companies that you hold, and as long as you have a diverse portfolio, you will be receiving just income on a regular basis, and this is passive income. What I do is, as I receive these dividend payments, I just simply reinvest them in the stocks, thus ultimately increasing the positions of the shares that I hold. And as I get more and more shares of a company, my dividends will only grow and continue to grow. And as you can see, I've been doing this for a while, so I am a long-term dividend investor. That's passive income, again, as I mentioned, and it's just easy to earn that. I'm not doing any type of physical labor. I'm not trading any actual time for that money. That's just the money that I'm receiving for investing in these companies. And as you can see, I have a very diverse portfolio. Tesla, Hercules Capital, Microsoft, Bank of America, Apple, Hewlett Packard, VOO, ChargePoint, just a number of different companies. The majority of these companies pay me quarterly dividends, and I have one monthly dividend paying company, and that is Realty Income. But what I do, as I mentioned, I just consistently keep adding a little bit of money, and I just spread it amongst the companies that I hold. And when I receive my dividends, I simply just reinvest them. And that's ultimately how, at least within this past year, I've been able to gain an extra $5,000. So I really hope that that explains a lot to you. Dividend investing is the way to go, at least in my personal opinion, just as long as you're investing in good companies that you know and love and that you feel like will stand the test of time. Also, just make sure that you're very diverse. But that concludes today's video. I just wanted to jump on just to kind of show you guys, again, as I mentioned, my dividends. I hope that that inspired you to also invest in dividend companies. And, you know, maybe if you have some dividend companies that you actually hold right now and that you love and that you don't see that I have, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. I'd also be interested in learning about some other companies. It's definitely best to share this knowledge. But as I mentioned, this concludes today's video. If you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Lastly, if you're not investing in the stock market using the Robinhood app, click the link in the description box so you can download Robinhood for your phone. You can start investing for yourself. You can start buying into dividend paying companies, and that way you can receive passive income on your own. Also, if you want to start buying some Bitcoin, I'm also going to have a link for Coinbase. You click that link and you download $100, you're going to get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So click the link for Robinhood, click the link for Coinbase, and you can start investing today. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy your weekend. Peace, everybody.